Building wealth and financial stability takes time, hard work, and strategic planning. Here are some tips for building wealth over time. 1. Invest in yourself. Focus on developing skills and knowledge that can help you advance in your career or start your own business. Take courses, attend workshops, and seek out mentors who can help you grow your skills and expertise. 2. Save and invest wisely. Develop a savings plan and stick to it. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets to help your money grow over time. 3. Live below your means. Avoid overspending and accumulating debt. Focus on living frugally and within your means, and consider taking on a side hustle or part-time job to increase your income. 4. Network and build relationships. Connect with people who can help you achieve your goals, such as business partners, investors, or mentors. Attend networking events, join professional organizations, and stay active on social media to build your network. 5. Be patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time and effort. Stay focused on your goals, be persistent, and don't give up when faced with challenges or setbacks. Remember, there is no shortcut or guaranteed path to getting rich. It takes hard work, discipline, and smart financial decisions to build wealth and achieve financial success over the long term.